today I'm on my way to Vancouver. So I hitchhiked from the mountains 300 kilometers to Vancouver, and I was just standing by the road. It was just a small turn to the mountain road and nothing else, but I got a ride maybe after half an hour directly to Vancouver with the nice guy Tyson. So he's actually driving in total like 800 kilometers, and now we stopped for half an hour because of road construction. First place I came to visit in Vancouver is Akali Singh Sikh Gurdwara. So I arrived to Vancouver around 5:30, and the guy Tyson who drove me to Vancouver dropped me next to this Gurdwara at this exit. That's why I decided to visit. This is the first Gurdwara I'm visiting in Canada, and it seems like it's a big one. So right now is the service. Way to Langar. Langar, it's a gathering hall, and usually in Gurdwara you can have food for free. This is Langar in Gurdwara, and I'm having my first dinner in Vancouver here. So this is different curries. This is dal, rice, and some vegetables and some sweet stuff. The only thing you should do, you have to cover your head and to take off your shoes. And this is the Amritsar. It's a golden temple where I've been 1 year ago. And this is the praying hall. So that's it. That's the plate with Indian food. 1 year ago I tried to enter into the golden temple in Amritsar in India, but I gave up that time because it was a late night and I had to wait at least 3 hours, and it was plus 35, crazy hot. So this is Langar Hall in Gurdwara, and the food was actually quite good. Especially I liked dessert, the pudding. So from here to my couchsurfing host place is 8 kilometers, and I'm gonna walk. At least I plan so. I even found the shower in the bathroom. So if you're an independent traveler, it's very useful to know about Gurdwara. once I finished in Gurdwara, I started to talk with this lady, Hadib, because she was also leaving, and I asked her about how to get to my destination, and she kindly just took me here, 8 kilometers from Gurdwara. So she is from Punjab, the place where I traveled 1 year ago. So as I said, usually, as always, I have very good experience in Gurdwara and the people there. Thank you very much for help. So
No problem.
this is the Heather Park, right?
Yeah, that's the one. This park over there.
So this is near the downtown.
It is, yeah.
This is Salvador,
Hi.
my couchsurfing host in Vancouver. I was lucky to be guest of Salvador because my friend Victor forwarded me to Salvador. He was here 1 week ago and he had a good experience. So Salvador is making pastries and originally from Mexico, and your family has a bakery back home. That's why you're like, it's in your genes to bake stuff. And I never saw actually a pet like this, which have a name. This is Pedrito. The fish maybe 5 centimeters size. So, and like, I don't know why, but my friend Victor told me it's hard to find couchsurfing host in Vancouver. But I didn't try, I just messaged Salvador and I was lucky he accepted me. Thank you very much.
Yeah, she had a good reference, so I accept her. Actually, I was already like close off for people, but because she told me she's friend of Victor, I was like, okay, yeah.
Yes, so it was very good. Thank you. Muchas gracias.
No problem.
Today is the 5th of September and I started to explore Vancouver. The first place I came to visit is the Queen Elizabeth Park. I stayed just a couple of kilometers away from here. So basically it's just a park with beautiful trees and flowers, and from here you can see the mountains. And the weather is really nice, maybe plus 25 degrees. And right now I saw also Indian wedding here. This is Rose Garden in the Queen Elizabeth Park.
Jangan di wait. Jangan foto itu ada. Sorry. मैं उससे लाइक रही थी. कोई नहीं.
Today I was visiting around the parks and just walked on the streets of the city. So this is one more park. People come here for picnics, different sport activities and so on. So actually I didn't see something like really special and interesting during my today's walk. Tomorrow I will go to the different area, like Stanley Park and so on. just while walking on the streets in the big cities of Canada, you can find some clothes. So I see here 2 t-shirts and pants in a quite good condition actually. My second day in Vancouver, and I'm on my way to the ocean. Behind me is Elder Bay. So I will go to the ocean, to the beach, and after I will go towards Stanley Park. On my way I met 2 rabbits. These are baby rabbits, right in the center of Vancouver. From the distance, 2 meters, and the first one was just half a meter away from me. I'm on the Gurdwara Island. Mostly it's about entertainment, and here there is this site called Giants. It was painted by 2 Brazilian brothers. I think it's a very nice idea to turn just a factory site to this positive paint. This is the market, and here you can find also a bit spoiled vegetables, fruits, even champignons. $1 per bag.
That's okay. Just sign up here. Oh, you can speak on the phone. No worries.
The good thing about Vancouver, it's surrounded by mountains. So it has nice panoramas and looks beautiful. I came to Kitsilano Beach. It's a very nice place. So this is Pacific Ocean. In total, my plan for today is to walk around 20 kilometers around Vancouver. On the other side is the Stanley Park and the second beach. This is my second destination. Street Beach. I crossed the Burrard Bridge and now I'm walking along the English Beach Park, 2.5 kilometers to the second beach. That's the place which my friend recommended me to visit. This is the second beach in Stanley Park. From here I will go to the other side of Stanley Park. It's around 2 kilometers. And also on this beach there is like a swimming pool for the kids. Different playgrounds, bicycle routes and so on. Honestly, I'm very amazed of Stanley Park. The trees are just wonderful and you don't feel like you are in a big city. The park itself is very big and it's possible to go around by walk and by bicycle. And I'm on my way to the Beaver Lake. This is Beaver Lake. And a lot of different plants in this lake. So I would call it more like a pond. Maybe before all the surface was water, but now it's mostly plants.
यार मेरे फोन बंद हो गया मेरा
This is Lost Lagoon in Stanley Park and it looks much better than the Beaver Lake. So from here I will continue my way to the Chinatown, which is around 3 kilometers away from here. I finished my hike around Stanley Park and now I'm passing Devonian Harbor Park on my way to Chinatown, a couple of kilometers more. And so far I'm really enjoying Vancouver. It's a clean and green city. A lot of parks and so on. But of course there are some bad neighborhoods, but I didn't go there. And I'm lucky with the weather because, as I heard, rains are quite often here because Vancouver is by the ocean. Chinatown. It is the last place I'm visiting on my second day in Vancouver. So this is a China gate, and in this area I saw quite many strange, crazy and mentally sick people, to be honest.
Io mi stavo